Welcome to this YouTube channel, the world of piping and pipeline engineering. We're here with one of the most important topics in piping engineering. So be sure to subscribe our channel and watch this video until the end. UG Pipe Repair. Step-by-step guide on how to repair underground pipeline. Here are the steps involved in repairing an underground pipeline, along with explanations. Step 1. Identifying the problem. The first step is to identify the issue with the underground pipeline. This could be through various means such as visual inspection, leak detection equipment, or monitoring systems. Step 2. Locating the damage. Once the problem is identified, the next step is to locate the exact location of the damage along the pipeline. This might involve using ground-penetrating radar, pipeline locators, or excavation to expose the affected area. Step 3. Excavation and Exposure. Excavate the soil to expose the damaged section of the pipeline. This step requires careful digging to avoid causing further damage to the surrounding area and infrastructure. Step 4. Assessment of damage. Evaluate the extent of the damage to determine the appropriate repair method. This could involve inspecting the condition of the pipe, assessing the severity of leaks or corrosion, and identifying any structural issues. Step 5. Pipeline repair. Depending on the nature of the damage, various repair techniques may be employed. Cutting out and replacing damaged sections of the pipeline with new pipe segments is one of common methods. Step 6. Pressure testing. After completing the repairs, conduct pressure testing to ensure the integrity of the repaired section of the pipeline. This involves pressurizing the pipeline to a specified level and monitoring for any pressure drops or leaks that indicate further issues. Step 7. Backfilling and Compaction. Once the repairs are verified, backfill the excavated area with suitable materials such as sand or gravel, and compact the soil to restore the ground surface to its original condition. Step 8. Restoration and Reinstatement. Finally, restore any surface features or landscaping that were disturbed during the excavation process. This may include repaving roads, resodding grass, or replanting vegetation to restore the area's aesthetics and functionality. Step 9. Post-repair monitoring. Monitor the repaired section of the pipeline over time to ensure that the repairs are holding up and that no further issues arise. This may involve periodic inspections or the use of monitoring equipment to detect any signs of deterioration or leakage. By following these steps, underground pipeline repairs can be effectively executed, restoring the functionality and integrity of the pipeline while minimizing disruption to surrounding infrastructure and the environment. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, hit that subscribe button now to unlock all of our lessons and insights.